បាទសួស្តីប្រិយមិត្តអ្នកសិក្សាទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានចំណេះដឹងច្រើនលេខតិចតួចទាក់ទងទៅនឹងមេរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសជាដំបូងខ្ញុំសូមលើកយកពាក្យ some ហើយនិងពាក្យ any ពីរពាក្យនេះនៃមកពីជាភាសាខ្មែររបស់យើងគឺបកប្រែថាខ្លះៗដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែវាខុសទាក់ទងទៅនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់ some and any use with plural noun បាទនាមពហុវចនៈ and uncountable noun uncountable នាមរាប់មិនបានប៉ុន្តែវាមិនអាចប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹង singular noun បានទេឧទាហរណ៍ some water water is uncountable some students student is plural noun any water and some water. It is the same way using some and any, and it's also have a different way of using it. For example, some used in positive sentence. So, for example, I have got some money in my pocket. Money is uncountable. So this sentence is positive. One more example. There are some books in my bag. Book is plural noun. So we use some, and money is uncountable, so we also use with some also. And any used in question and negative. So for example, question: do you have any pens? Do you have any pens? Question. This is question. Pen is plural noun. And one more question. One more example. Negative sentence. I haven't got any money in my pocket. In my pocket. It is negative. So money is noun, but we call uncountable noun or uncount noun. Yeah. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. If you have any question, please comment below this video. And if you have any idea or knowledge want to share, you can also comment below this video also. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Yeah, thank you.